Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app is installed and you're signed in with your workplace account. Once done, grant microphone and camera access so meetings will work, otherwise you'll be muted or blank. Connect to stable Wi-Fi or switch to 4G if roaming. Make sure notifications are allowed so meeting invites arrive. I'll show you how to join quickly and why each permission matters: audio for participation, camera for presence, notifications for timely entry. Once you tap Join or your scheduled event, you'll see audio and video choices. Pick Join with device audio for immediate sound, or use dial-in when internet is poor. Make sure to check the camera preview so framing looks professional. Tap Mute and Stop Video to control when others hear or see you. If your company requires a virtual background, enable it now. It reduces distractions and protects privacy. These steps ensure you join correctly and present yourself clearly. You finish by using meeting controls. Open participants to see who's present, use chat to send links, and share screen when presenting. If your audio or camera quality drops, switch camera or mic in the app settings. Sometimes the wrong input is selected. If problems continue, restart the app, verify permissions, and reconnect your network. These steps usually fix most issues. One key troubleshooting tip: force close and reopen Zoom after changing settings to ensure the app applies updates correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.